Currently working on an Astra, and it's got a right hand rear indicator fault. So if we flick this, we get the check right rear indicator lamp warning come up. It also has the brake light, tail light disabled as well on that corner. In this video I'm going to be showing you what that fault is, how to rectify it, and if need be, if you want to replace your indicator light or your tail light, I'm going to be showing you how to go in there, get access to it so you can go in and replace yours as well. So you pull down this cover and then you remove this wing nut. And once you get that wing nut out of position, you just grab on the tail light, especially on the right hand side, and pull back firmly. This was very easy to remove on this one, but it could be difficult on yours. There will be wiring which is routed on the lower side of the tail light. Just move that out of the way. And then the locking tab, you push up on that locking tab, then you press in on the connector, and with a second hand you would actually pull up from there. What you're seeing here is a flat screwdriver. Just leverage it up out of position. With the connector removed, I was actually able to see the fault which was causing this issue. The customer did advise that they had replaced the bulbs previously and it didn't fix anything. What you're seeing here is me just showcase the locking tabs that hold in that assembly. You push back on those and then you leverage up and you get that assembly out. But what I found at this point, and this is me just removing that bulb assembly and showcasing that there is no blown globes. You can see these are brand new actually, and that had no effect on it. But when I spin this around the other way and I look in here, which I always do when I have electrical faults like this, checking the tabs, I can see that there's broken pins. So that center pin, which would be going to the wiring, and the connector is broken. It's broken halfway down or further even, and that is not going to be given a connection through. And when I look at the connector on this side, I can see that there's a heating damage and heating visible on it. And I did my testing on this, so I confirmed that the terminal tension on this connector was okay, the wiring was okay, and that we didn't need to get a new connector on this side before I spoke to the customer. But what was needed was a new assembly, which was ordered in. Thankfully it was readily available, which tells me it's probably quite a common fault. And as you can see here, the pins all good on the new one. And with that, I'm able to put it all back together. Now be cautious when you're pressing them in, because the new seals can be quite tight. This is the indicator working, and I'm just showing the wing nut reinstalled, everything back together, and I do the final checks. Yeah. So we have the indicator back working again, lights working at the rear, and this job is now completed. But that is it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please like, share, comment and subscribe, and hope to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.